Hi everyone, and a special hello to you that's watching this video. Well, as you can see, my room is in a shambles again because the last crafting I did was making clothes for this little baby here, for our baby of the family. I said, well, I'm going to start by the youngest member of the family making some clothes. So go and watch the videos. There's a playlist also for the clothes. And then you can see how I made this whole nice wardrobe for this little baby. So next is the little boy. I think it's going to be a bit easier because he's a bit bigger. And yeah, so yeah, I actually want to start now with the home again, because it's standing too long now. I've done nothing. I had to close it in front here, as you can see, because little Chloe, she is here somewhere playing around. There's Squish, so she must be here. She had stole one of my little tables and she chewed it up. So yeah, I'm not very impressed, wasn't very impressed with her. And so we'll see if I can fix this, or I'm gonna have to try and see if I can get another one or maybe make one, because this was one of those 1 to 12 scale furniture my niece actually gave to me. So I'll have to see what I can do about Chloe's work. Yeah. So yeah. But now I'm all ripped up with cameras. I've watched so many editing movies and all that stuff, and how to make movies and how to begin a channel. So yeah, in the future now, I will show you more closely when I'm fixing all up there on the main floor, how I did it. And in the future now, I will show you also videos of how I make the furniture and the dollhouse and all that stuff. So yeah, you will maybe see more of me then. Well, first I'm also obviously going to try and clean up the best I can here, before I start with that. It will take a while longer because this is the bottom part, the top part most of the home. And I want to do all the finer things there and fix everything up inside and outside of the house, like even the windows, all that stuff, before I go to the next floor. But now this I will put on video for you. So yeah, I must best get started then. Okay, let's get started. The way I work, I will start from the one corner and I will work all my way around until I finish by that corner again. I can't work a little bit this side and a little bit this side. I have to work in a sequence. So my door is my starting point and my ending point. So let's get started. But now everything is in place where it's supposed to be, how I like it. Sure, yeah. Until next time.